So in this lesson we're going to practice the 3 to 4 polyrhythm a bit more. Now I've taught you some approximations of this polyrhythm, but this lesson we're going to work out exactly what it is. So first let me just remind you what it sounds like. Just like that. We also use some words to practice it, so we use pass the goddamn butter, just like that. Those are really good ways to learn it, but let's work it out exactly now. So we're going to use some counting. 3 and 4, they're both, the lowest common multiple of those two numbers is 12, so we're going to have to count up to 12 to do this. The way I'm going to do it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 on this finger, and 1, the end of 2, and the R of 3 on this finger. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that. So let's start up the metronome. I'll just set it to 120 BPM, and I've got it set on 3 beats each bar. So you can count like this. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can keep practicing that at each speed as many times as you need, and slowly work up the speed higher and higher. Let's try it. I'm going to do a bigger jump up than you'd probably want to normally do. Let's try this speed. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so you keep jumping it up higher and higher and higher until you get a really high speed, and then every now and then it's good just to take the metronome away and practice it without the metronome. So and at that sort of speed, I'll reach this Zen-like state where I can actually focus on each hand separately and see how constant you can make the pulses in each hand. And I really like practicing that way. Cool, that's all for this one. I think in the very next lesson we're going to practice a practical use for this polyrhythm. So I'll see you in that one.